What's up, you guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $200 a week online in 2019 straight from your phone. Alright, so I'm very excited to show everybody these methods. I currently use them myself on a daily and weekly basis. I'll have links in the description if you want to sign up for any of them, and feel free to message me below if you have any questions or comments. Alright, so the first one we're going to be getting into here is going to be playing poker on Bovada. Now, Bovada is currently the #1 betting site in the US. You know, they've got an amazing, poker app for playing real money games, but you can also do sport betting on here. I tend to mix things up a little bit. Personally myself, I've been playing Texas Hold'em now for like over 15 years. So, I've gotten really good at it. I've developed my game, and there's, just this month alone, I'm up somewhere around like $4,000. So, I did win a tournament though, but, honestly, you can make a lot of money if you're good at poker. And the other thing too, like I said, you can do sport betting on here. But if you're not into any kind of betting, poker, or whatever, don't worry. I've got some other really good methods you can check out as well. But, Bovada is, been around for about 7 years now. They're highly reputable. They've got fast cash outs on here that are pretty much instant via Bitcoin. You can still do check withdrawals on here. Like I said, it's fun to play poker, and if you have a knack for it, definitely, check them out. I mean, great sign-up bonuses on here for sure. And, like I said, I've had a really good run going, especially like the last 12 months. This isn't the only place I play. I also play on Ignition, but I do this all through my phone. Typically when I play, I spend about 15 to 45 minutes at a time. All right, I'm gonna hop on to the next method. Like I said, I don't wanna spend too much time on the poker, but the next one is also going to be very powerful for just about everybody, and I recommend getting into it ASAP. It's going to be stock trading on Robinhood. Now, Robinhood, I've been using it for about 3 years. I've been stock trading for a long time, probably over like 10 years now. And currently on Robinhood, I'm up well over, I think 6,000 in profit in the last 12 months. And I really just do this part-time through my phone. You can see my account's got about $4,000 in it, so not a lot. I'm trying to get back into stock trading, but $4,000 obviously isn't a small amount of money either. But I'm just going to show you that just in the last month, I'm up around close to like 500 bucks on here. And, typically when I'm doing this, I'll buy a bunch of shares of one company, hold it for a week to like a month, try to profit this way. And it's actually worked out really well for me. So I've been swing trading on here, but you can also, hold for the long term if you want to start investing through your phone. I think Robinhood is going to be the best way to do it because they've got 0 commissions on here. They insure you up to $250,000. And, you can get better at trading, over time. It's not something you're just going to get good at. But like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, at least 10 years, I'd say. Probably more than that, trading stocks. And, being able to do it through your phone is very powerful as well. And you can definitely pull in an extra $200 a week on here if you get really good at stock trading and if you have a little bit of money to work with. So you got to put up some upfront money. But, in the long run, you'll definitely, make money doing that when you get better at it. All right, so the next 2 apps we're going to be checking out here, you can also make a lot of money. You could lose a lot of money too. You got to get good at them. But it's going to be trading cryptocurrencies with Coinbase and Binance. So let me load up Coinbase real quick here. But Coinbase, I've been using this app for a long time. I mean, I've been trading crypto for over 2 years now. And, you can see some of my withdrawals on here. I had a $1,200 cash out recently. I made a pretty good profit on that. You can see some of my other ones, $2,100, $2,200, $1,700, etc. My point here being is that I actively do this stuff. So, I mean, I'm not just saying I do. I actually make money using these apps. But Coinbase, if you want to get started with crypto, use them as a wallet, but don't do the actual trading on there, and I'll explain why in just a second. But Coinbase, you can do trading on there. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a couple other ones. But the problem is you can't trade a lot of other coins. So my recommendation to everybody is to hop on the Binance app. Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. It's pretty much like the stock trading app for crypto. They have over 100 different coins you can check out on here. I've been using them for a while. They've got nice charting features on here, so you can pull up charts with candlesticks, the buying, selling. You can set up alerts for price increases, price drops. And basically what you're going to be doing with Binance is you just want to, have a Coinbase account and then transfer money into Binance, and you can start doing some trading on here. The point that I'm really trying to get at here is that you're going to have the option to trade all of these different coins. So if you want to invest some money, or you want to try like swing trading like I do, and you want to put some money money in maybe some of the lower price coins because you think that there's a chance they could move up, then yeah, obviously do it. Or you can just invest on here. I mean, you can hold the money on here, and over the course of a few months or a year, you might have a nice little profit, you know, trading, you know, some of these coins on here. So check out Binance, guys. It's awesome. It's what I've been using, like I said, so I recommend it. And the last two apps I'm going to be getting into here, you know, they're not going to like make you $200 a week, but I like to put them on here because they will make you some extra money. And the first one we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be Acorns. Now, Acorns is one of those apps that basically like invest money for you. It's a quote unquote robo-advising app where it takes like small amounts of money that you put into it and invest it into low-risk mutual funds and ETFs. Now, I don't have a lot of money in here. I've got 36 bucks. I had around 300 at one point, and I keep saying I'm going to put more money into it this year because I want to see how it can do, you know, at least a few thousand or more. And the point here is you can make 2 to 5% on your money using Acorns. So you'll make more money putting it into here instead of putting it into like your bank savings account. It does cost $1 a month to use. You can set up recurring deposits on here. You can do roundups where you connect a debit or credit card. It'll take change to the nearest dollar and put it in here. But my point is that, you know, you'll make some money in here passively not doing anything. It's not going to make you $200 a week unless you have a crap load of money in it, but you know, it can start, you know, building some money for you over the course of a few months to a year, and that's really what I'm getting at. And the last one we're going to be checking out here is going to be Inbox Dollars. Now, what I've seen with Inbox Dollars is you can make 50 to 150 a month using this app. I've got almost $100 in it right now. I've cashed out on here. You can do checks. You can, you know, do PayPal gift cards, transfers, Amazon gift cards, all kinds of gift cards you can do on here. And you do this all by playing games, watching videos, taking surveys, etc. But, you know, like I said, it's not going to, you know, make you $200 a week, but it can pull in a little bit of extra cash for you, and you can do this all through your phone. I do recommend checking out some of the games on Inbox Dollars. They've got some sick games on there that are pretty addictive, and you know, you can earn some money just playing them. So I'm just going to recap here for everybody. Now, these 4 first apps I've got, you know, that's where you're going to make the bulk right here. I mean, Bovada, if you're good at poker, sport betting, if you have a knack for that. Yeah, I'm more of a poker guy. Like I said, you can make a lot of money on there through your phone. Obviously, stock trading on Robinhood. Stock trading has been around forever. If you get good at it, you can start to make some money. You have to put some upfront money, you know, honestly, into doing that. Same with Bovada, but you could start low and kind of build up your bankroll on there, but I recommend just putting some money in there and kind of get going with it. And then of course you've got crypto trading with Coinbase and Binance. If you put those two together, it's pretty powerful. And I just had a couple, you know, add-on apps, Acorns and Inbox Dollars, which are just like a couple apps that will make you a few extra bucks at the end of the month, which is, you know, kind of cool. All right, so, you know, I just wanted to leave this at 6 solid apps for everybody. You know, they all work. I use them. I've proven them. And like I said, if you have any questions about them, hit me up below in the comments. I'll get back to you. I'll throw links down there if you want to sign up with any of them. Please hit the like and share, guys. Thanks for watching it, and we will see y'all later.